In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files to messages in Outlook. Attaching files can be essential for sharing documents, images, and other types of data with colleagues, friends, or family. Whether you are sending an important report, a cherished photo, or just about any other file, Outlook makes it straightforward and efficient. To get started, first open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. This ensures that you have access to your emails and all of Outlook's functionality. So, click on the Sign In button. When prompted, enter your login details, which typically include your email address and password. After you've filled in your credentials, click on Next to proceed. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. From this main view, we're going to head to the section for creating a new email. Look for the New Mail button, which is usually prominently displayed within the interface. Click on it, and a new blank email draft will open. In the space provided, start by entering the email address of your intended recipient. Type it carefully to ensure it's correct to avoid sending your message to the wrong person. Following this, move down to the subject line. The subject helps your recipient understand the purpose of your email quickly, so make it meaningful and concise. Now we're going to focus on the main body of your message. Here, you can type out any information or greetings you want to convey along with your attachment. This is also a good place to mention what you are attaching and why it's important. Next, it's time to attach the files. Take a look at the top part of the email draft window and keep an eye out for the Insert option displayed in the toolbar. Once you locate it, click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From these, select Attach Files. You will then be prompted to browse your computer or device to choose the file you want to attach. Navigate through your folders, find your file, click on it, and then confirm your selection by clicking Open or Attach. After you've successfully attached your files, give your email one final look to ensure everything is in order. Double-check the recipient's email address, the subject, and the subject in the attachment. With all details confirmed, you are ready to send your email. Find the Send button, typically located in the same menu bar or somewhere visible on the screen, and click it. And there you have it. You've learned how to attach files to messages using Outlook. Remember, practice makes perfect. So feel free to repeat these steps until you're comfortable with the process. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.